Okay, in general, I would say I hate this washer because it fails, but now that I pulled this packet, it was under the drum there when I was changing the drain motor that was broken. But this GE profile washer has this cool mode. It's pretty easy to get into, and it will cycle through the faults. I have a video for that. And then it also has all these tests, so I can test the different motors. The main thing to note if you were doing a repair is a 45-minute timeout. So I did the agitate and the drain test, and it says right in here it has a 45-minute timeout. So if something tripped in the motor, well, could be because I had it tipped on its back and I changed the pump and it had all those event codes. 45 minutes, so I'm going to leave it plugged in so I can count that off and reset this. I did reset all codes, which is a pretty easy thing to do. You just go in the tests and you do 16. The tests are entered by holding start and rotating this knob 180 degrees and then releasing start, and then you can use the knob to determine the tests. And you can check your drain pump, recirc pump. I did a bunch of these just for fun, but spin and agitate aren't working even after resetting all the codes. So I'm pretty sure I gotta wait that 45 minutes.